Hello my friends. Today I would like to share how to make wagashi. Wagashi means Japanese traditional confectionery. Wa means Japan. Gashi refers to confectionery. Designs of wagashi express the seasonal transience of nature. So in different seasons, you will have a different wagashi. Look at these beautiful chrysanthemums in my garden. I really like its fragrance. Let's have it for our wagashi today. Soak any kind of white bean overnight. Sides becomes bigger. Remove the bean's coat. Pour out boiling water to get rid of the fishy smell of bean. Add new water, boiling for 15 minutes. Mash boiled beans and pass through a sieve. Turn on lower heat. Add sugar. Stir fry the bean paste until all get together like a dough. Now let's prepare outer paste. Mix glutinous rice flour with water gradually to avoid lumps. Then add sugar. Mix well. Put it in microwave for 1 minute until it looks transparent. Mix all materials with low heat. The rice paste functions like glue until the bean paste looks like dough and doesn't stick to finger. Now, let's cool down the dough by dividing it into small parts. Same process repeats 3 times. Now, outer paste is ready, called nerikiri in Japanese. Bean paste gets dried quickly. Need to cover it every time. Put any kind of starch on the board. Let's start with wrap up. Add food color, mix well. Put the orange ball on the center of the yellow one. Close it by fingers. Then round it. Put the filling ball on the center of the outer paste. Close it and round it again. Use plate to make flat surface. Then shape it by hand. polka dot and draw 4 lines evenly first. Then make 16 lines in total. Use this tool or little finger to push softly. Make a center hole. Have this little ball pass through the sieve. Put stamen on the center. Oh, look at this beautiful chrysanthemum. One more simple design, just draw 16 lines. Then put stamen on the center. Another cute one completed. Nice weather today. Let's have a tea time on the deck. I couldn't be happier by having this delicious chrysanthemum, and meanwhile viewing these beautiful chrysanthemums. What a nice day, and thank you for watching.